Number one, somebody called in before the show. Oh, they divulge a very important and vital information. We attend debe before the day. Number two, no pre-event survey. Number three, the mother just yesterday said she was called, but because she did not understand the reason people were calling her, she didn't pick the call. Yet, orúkọ wọn ló wà nínú pamphlet. So please, back off me, because I'm not you. And whoever wants to unfollow me based on this, please exit. Farewell. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Because ẹni tó bá unfollow me lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ó mean pé kò suppose láti follow me in the first place. Ẹni tó bá unfollow me lórí òótọ́ tí mo sọ yìí, kò suppose láti follow me in the first place. So you can unfollow me. And for those of you that will keep saying, gbajúmọ̀ kó àtòbò, má sọ nǹkankan, ìgbà tí mo help àwọn ọmọ Iraq tí wọ́n dé Nigeria, sọ fún mi pé kí n gbajúmọ̀ kó àtòbò. Ìgbà tí mo ti help, tí mo ṣe charity, tí mo ti help a lot of people here, sọ fún mi pé kí n gbajúmọ̀ kó àtòbò. Why is it pé nǹkan tí ò bá ti favor yín lè máa ní gbajúmọ̀ kó àtòbò? I will never ever dance to your tune. Till thy kingdom come. Èpè yín ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan fún mi, because mi ò ní ronú. Ẹni tó bá ní làákàyè, tó bá láròjinlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí mo sọ kalẹ̀ yìí, á mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀bẹ̀ ló yẹ kẹ́ máa bẹ̀. Á dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé àwọn nǹkan tí mo sọ kalẹ̀ yìí ó máa wà lára àwọn nǹkan tí government ti rí kó tó remind àwọn èèyàn. Á dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé reminding àwọn èèyàn kò mean wípé wọ́n ti wà lẹ́wọ̀n or wọ́n fẹ́ pa wọ́n, pé ìgbà míì gan kí tension lè lọlẹ̀. Because you never can tell. A rí èèyàn tó jáde nínú àwọn prophetess, ìkan náà àwọn prophets yẹn, tó ní àwọn ò ní gbà, family ń wà lára àwọn tó kú, kíníkan. Àwọn èèyàn lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ lóòótọ́ nítorí pé ẹ mọ̀ àwọn tó kú, ẹ mọ̀ intention wọn. Lára safety precautions tí ìjọba put up ni láti fi àwọn èèyàn yẹn pamọ́. Lára safety precautions don't put up ni láti fi àwọn èèyàn yẹn pamọ́. Because most of you crying, kò ṣe gbogbo yín nínú yín dá. Ìjọba pẹ̀lú nǹkan tá ń sọ yìí, ẹ má gbàgbé pé ó la ẹ̀mí lọ. So ìjọba ò lè fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ kó máa rìn ní títì. Because ẹ mọ̀ ẹni tí ó ní psychosis, ẹ mọ̀ ẹni tó ní wàhálà, ẹ mọ̀ ẹni tí inú ẹ̀ ò dẹ̀, ẹ mọ̀ ẹni tí nínú àwọn parents àwọn ọmọ yẹn, ẹ mọ̀ ẹni tí orí ọpọlọ ẹ pé, ẹ mọ̀ plan wọn torí pé wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní èmi ò mọ̀, mi mọ̀ bóyá pre-event plan ní bá wà. Mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè máa hold kíní yẹn. Then tí pre-event visit bá wà or survey bá wà, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe hold nǹkan yẹn pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí wọ́n rí, tán rí, kí lẹ rò pé ó yẹ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. So unfollow me. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ unfollow me, please. If you want to unfollow me, you are free to your tent, O Israel. You're free láti unfollow me. But I wouldn't keep quiet. As long as you continue to attack me, I'll continue to come out. And stop telling me to keep quiet, because these people are not keeping quiet. They keep attacking me. They keep cursing. So stop telling me. They keep cursing me. You're asking me to keep quiet. Stop telling me when I know I'm on the right channel. Timo demo pe òótọ́ ni mò ń sọ. I'm not supporting any ìjọba. Wà ń bí ìgbà tí mo call out. In fact, Governor Seyi Makinde go mo fẹ́ lè sọ̀rọ̀ òdì. Later ni mo ṣe wá apologize. Dẹ̀ bọ́ta, dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ètò ń ṣépè. Go and watch the interview and go and find out if there was pre-event survey. Go and find out. And stop cursing me. Yeah, thank you, Ajiboye. Nigeria hates truth. I know. They hate truth. but gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa parọ́, gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa wallow in sentiment, gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa wallow in emotional blackmail. I don't care how you feel about me. I'm not against anyone. Mi ò ní nǹkankan against anybody, but I'm just saying nothing but the truth. Ẹ lọ gbọ́ interview yẹn. There was a very, very vital information tí èèyàn kan pè tó sọ nínú interview yẹn, but ṣé wọ́n take to it? Kí ni action tí wọ́n take? Ẹ fi pé àwọn ìjọba kan máa ní ẹ remind wọn ti ní bèrè pé ẹ̀yin security ṣe gbọ́n pa ẹ̀, ṣé wọ́n pè yín ẹ publish letter tẹ kọ sí ìjọba láti invite security operatives ẹ gbé síta. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọdé anywhere in the world. Mo lè decide láti má sọ̀rọ̀ Anambra, sọ̀rọ̀ Abuja, because anywhere in the world ọmọdé stand priority. If those children were adults, wallahi mo lè má sọ anything. Mo lè má sọ nǹkankan. So what are you talking about? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. And whoever wants to unfollow me, please, I'm begging you in the name of God, unfollow me over this issue. Because to unfollow me over this issue, you were not meant to follow me in the first place. Then ẹ lọ wo nǹkan tí law sọ now, tí irú nǹkan báyìí bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ lọ wo nǹkan tí law sọ. Ṣé báwọn bàbá Fẹ́mi Fálànà, wọ́n máa ń jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ìlú. Ó yẹ kó ti bọ́ta sọ̀rọ̀. Tán bá fi pé kò sí any loophole, ó yẹ kó ti bọ́ta sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ lọ wo nǹkan tí law sọ now. Àwọn bàbá yẹn á ti bọ́ta sọ̀rọ̀ 100%. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kò sí any kíní. Ẹ kàn fi sentiment bọ́ ni. And I'm not going to join you in that. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń call kábíyèsí, kí ni kábíyèsí lè ṣe? Ṣé kábíyèsí ni you don't understand. Kí kábíyèsí tó lè sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n á ti mọ bí tí ọ̀rọ̀ ń lọ. But kábíyèsí náà lè sọ wípé kí ìjọba má ṣiṣẹ́ wọn. He can't say that. Ariwo tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń pa yìí, Ọlọ́run ẹ ń further complicate issues ni. Bẹ́ ṣe attack àwọn èèyàn, ẹ ń complicate issues ni. The best thing, eléyìí náà irú nǹkan báyìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ rí o, tí mo ní ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní kẹ́ máa bẹ̀. The best thing ni pé kó ṣáà kíní mercy pẹ̀lú justice, nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ máa bẹ̀ nìyẹn pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́, a mọ̀ pé eléyìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ ṣáà ṣàánú wa. But ẹ ń ṣépè, ìjọba sọ pé kò sóúnjẹ, ẹ lọ sínú ilé, ẹ lọ máa ya, ẹ mú ọ̀bẹ kẹ́ máa gúnra yín in the name of pé kò sóúnjẹ, jẹ́ ká máa para wa ní títì in the name of pé kò sóúnjẹ. Please, we are not all stupid. Ẹ fi mí sílẹ̀. Tàbá rẹ̀ tó fẹ́ pè, tó fẹ́ ṣépè, ẹ lè pè mí kẹ́ ṣépè, kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ ń ṣépè, ẹ dẹ̀ ń sọ oríṣiríṣi. Ẹ fi pé gbogbo wa la máa sùn, la máa kọrí síbì kan náà ni. No. Nobody is saying she's also special, but she's not dead. Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kó kú, and she can never die. She will not die. But we are talking about 35 dead children here. And they kò fẹ́ kí ìjọba kò sweep that justice over the carpet because you love and you love anything love. You're not thinking about the children. You're not thinking about the parents of the children. Ibebe ṣe ń ṣe igan wà insensitive. And the government, àwọn government náà ń rí. Àwọn tó jábí amọ nínú wọn wọ́n ń rí. And your sentiment cannot change anything. But then sọ pé ore mi ò ní pé kò ṣoore, but did she go there before the event? If she had gone there, she would have seen pé eléyìí danger was imminent. She would have seen it. Ó dàbọ̀.